Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning both vehicle and trailer so components align. You want minimal tension on the hitch. Remove any dust or corrosion from mounting points and lay out the sway bar hardware by size. Once done, raise the trailer tongue until the sway bar center matches hitch height, making sure the coupling sits level. This prevents binding. Attach safety chains nearby so they don't tangle, and keep fasteners organized. Now you're ready to mount the first sway bar bracket to the trailer frame. You fasten the first bracket loosely so you can shift for perfect alignment, then install the opposite bracket and check spacing. Slide the sway arm into both brackets, insert bolts, and tighten gradually in a crisscross pattern to avoid distortion. Once the arm is secured, attach the links between the sway arm and hitch, making sure link orientation follows the kit instructions. Route any cables or brake lines away from the moving links. Finish by torquing all fasteners to spec and checking. You adjust the damping or preload to the recommended starting point, often mid-range, so the system has room to fine-tune. Once done, perform a short low-speed test drive with a gradual lane change to provoke sway. Watch trailer behavior and listen for clunks. If the trailer still sways, increase damping incrementally. If it feels stiff or binds, back off. Should you hear rubbing or see misalignment, stop, recheck torque, bracket position, and replace any bent or worn components before returning to the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.